We're gonna paint this bald eagle. If you're a member of Enjoying Art, now you can come to our learning center to view the full video and download the reference. If you want to learn about the technique of using these two brushes, now you can come to enjoyingart.com brushes. Let's do a little drawing. We're gonna do the face. I'm gonna have the mouth over here, the tip over here, like that. And then take a look at the whole head, the back coming all the way here. The mouth as a triangle. Start over here, coming out like that. Okay, that's pretty good. You can start from two different directions. Want to paint something inside over here before you paint the outside, or you want to try to work out the bigger shapes working with the edges. So let's start from the bigger shape. I'm going to use this 1-inch flat brush. I'm going to just wet the outside. So you don't have to wet really close. I'm going to coming down over here. That's good. The paper I'm using is 7.5 by 10 inches arches watercolor paper, 140 pounds. First, start from a little edge. And I'm gonna just take this blue color, maybe get a little red into it. There's a little bit kind of gray color. Okay, that's good. Let's take a look. And I'm gonna come in over here and see that because the outside is pretty wet. Like that. That's good. Give a little bit feeling of the feather. Like that. That's good. Have some just painting like this from the edge coming out, looking for the shape. How from the outside coming in. Take the blue color. Now here you go. With this two blue color, merge that together. Here you go. Coming merge into the whole outside. I'm gonna start dropping some color. I'm gonna get a little red, a little blue color. Here you go. I'm gonna have somewhere over here, make it a little bit darker. Yeah, take a look. This looks like the saw. We don't want that, so I'm gonna make it a little bit softer. We're gonna get a little bit like a gray color, so it means get the yellow and red and then a little blue color together. Now we want to have some color connecting to the outside. Here you go. Now I'm gonna have this kind of softer going into the inside. So we don't want that there's so much sharp edges. The feeling in the painting is very important at the beginning of the either drawing or painting process. Is if you can capture it, you can capture it. If you don't, you lost it. Okay. It's just focus on the bigger, not the small. Now I'm gonna come in here to have a little bit yellow and get a little blue. Now I can put in the color for the shoulder. Here you go. Right here on the body. Take a look at in here. I'm gonna have a little bit darker color. Here you go. That's the eye over here, right? That's the eye. Put back a little color, soft color over here. Now here you go. Just remove some color. Now I'm gonna get the little gray color on the outside in the corner over here. The outside over here looks pretty good, but I'm gonna make it a little bit softer. Just drop a little water to it to see how it's gonna look. Try to make it a little bit softer, a little bit changeable. I'm going to get a little bit more water. I'm gonna take a look on this side. I'm gonna come back to the back over here. Okay. That's good. Let go most of the wet in the brush. Now it's a little bit more wet than before. Now here we go. Now we're gonna lift up That's good. Now I'm gonna have a little bit, let's see, a little deeper color showing this, just like this. Put it in, coming out like this. Ooh, that's good. Some yellow color and get a little red. Okay, that's good. Now take a look right here. Here you go. That's good. Here you go. A little bit coming over here, a little turn. See that? That's good. Showing the color change. And the front over here. And that's good. And the bottom, have a little bit darker, have a little brownish color. And take a look at that over here. You can see the color. Very interesting. Change. Like this. That's good. Some shape. Okay, now I'm gonna clean my brush. Now coming over here and soften this. Let's settle the color to middle of the eye. There's a little bit like a brownish color, a little gray. And here we go. Take a look at that. Okay, that's good. Right here. It's not white in the middle over here, okay? That's not white. A little gray. Okay, like that. Okay, that's good. So be able to see the value of the color is very important. Take a look. I'm gonna have it like this. That's how the feather look. Get over here that a little tip. Actually have a little line over here. Here you go. See that? That's a little nice suggestions. A little line over here. Okay, that actually making it interesting. Okay, I'm gonna make the tip over here even a little bit lighter, like that. Just use the corner. Now I'm gonna come back to the face. I'm gonna give a little short line, a little, actually very soft line, like that. There we go. Alright, now we are going to close up the painting. Now here we go. Now I'm gonna get a little bit red, a little yellow. Now make a little brown color. Here we go. Start from the nose. Right here. That's good. Like that. And we'll come back to give a little bit darker in the inside. Now get a little bit red and this color. That's good enough. A little bit contrast. That's good. Like that. Okay. Have a little bit softer. Mostly into this side. That's good. Okay. Now I'm gonna come here to have some this brown color. I'm not sure it's dark enough. I'm gonna have a little bit red. Okay. That has a little gap over here. Here we go. That's good. Keep going. Okay. And then the bottom over here have a little red. And here we go. Push down and come gradually, but this a little bit more orange. Yellow, red. Feel a little bit more brighter. Okay, coming over here. That's good. Now in the middle over there, I'm gonna have a little bit more yellow red color, a little bit orange color. Okay, that's good. Way too much red. Okay, a little bit more yellow again. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna have this color a little bit richer. That's good. Coming like this. That's good. Okay, and then a little bit orange color over here too. And I'm gonna also use a little yellow color now, going around the eye. That's good. Now we prepare our final round inside the eye. Now I'm gonna open up the brush, take a little bit gray color like that. Here we go. Get a little texture over here. Here we go. A little texture underneath over here too. Here you go. Like that. That's good. A little bit like that. That's good. That's the details. There's some smaller details on the back over here. Here we go. That's good. Here we go. Like this. That's good. Okay, I think there's a little bit too much texture, so soften. Let's make it lost a little bit. So keep checking. Is that too much or not enough? Like this. I think the mouth, it looks pretty good. Make a little bit softer, and I think a little bit too much at the bottom over here. I'm gonna lift it up a little bit. That's good. Like that. Alright, now I'm gonna come into to set a little deep color into the nostril. I'm gonna take the little bit darker color. Take a look at the tip over here and the inside. Here you go. That's good. Now, alright, now I'm gonna working into the eye and take a look at the brown color, yellow, red. Here we go. Now this is good. A little bit more blue. Inside the eye looks like a circle. Okay, here we go. Another thin line. Like that. That's good. Here we go. That's good. Coming over here. Okay, now take a look at inside of the inside circle in the center. Right in the middle of the eye. That's good. Now I'm going to keep a little bit light shape and the top at the top over there. That's good. Okay. And I'm also going to put a little bit darker color. Okay. Now I'm going to have a little bit darker color. Just the blue with the red. Okay, here we go. Now, look at it. Look carefully. Okay, now a little bit darker here too. Now we're gonna add a little bit darker tone back to the eye white, and but a little bit later after you dry. Okay, and maybe right now I'm gonna have a little bit, just a little bit of this color. There we go. You can have it softly connected because this is the cast shadow. That's okay. And also a little bit color on the top over here. Here we go. Like that. Here we go. Just a little bit more. I think the edge over here. A little bit more. There we go. I'm gonna lift up the highlight. Okay. Here we go. Now I'm gonna have this. Here we go, a little bit lighter. That's good. Okay, coming down over here, also make it a little bit lighter too. That's nice. I'm gonna coming over here, the light color all the way coming around over here. That's good. Just use the corner of this brush. That's good. Okay, now over here, overall, I'm gonna make this a little bit softer, a little bit lighter too. Okay, that's good. Okay, also on the top, I'm gonna make it a little bit cleaner, like a 45-degree to the paper. I'm gonna have the top over here a little bit softer. Okay, that's good. Clean up over here too. A little bit softer. So a little bit more that you do toward your impression, and the painting would look more better and better and closer to what you're expecting. Over here I'm gonna have a little bit lighter. This can be lighter. Here you go. If you do it 10 times, it's gonna be much lighter. Okay, that's good. Like that. I'm gonna have this a little bit softer. Okay, trust that you can do it, and then you keep doing it and you will be successful. It's like just being a good artist. Okay, now we see this looks pretty good already. Now I'm gonna have a little bit sharper, a little spiky edge, but I want the feeling of the very soft feather. Okay, like that. A little bit over here. That's good. So now this painting is done.